In this video, I will share how $500,000 was generated by simply answering questions. Simple questions like what is verb? And this stupidly simple system can be done by any beginner of any experience level. And in fact, you don't need any experience, any technical knowledge, no website needed, no hosting server, no mailing list, and no social following required to make $500,000 in this system. Listen, if you have low income, low credit score, high debt, and the prices and costs are going high, then I had the same issue back in 2010. I figured that I had less number of people paying me money, my employer or my clients. Then I started thinking, how can I make more people paying me same money? Example, if you have one employer or one person paying you $6 per hour, then your life will change completely. If 1 million people pays you $6 per hour, you will be making same 1 hour work, but 1 million people will pay you $6 each. You make 6 million. Woo! Okay, in this video, I will share how we do it step by step using our software Epic. It's an artificial intelligence software. Link is in the description. Epic is free for you. By the way, if you see somewhere below this video, automatically text is generating as I'm speaking. That is an automatic artificial intelligence transcription software. If you want this software free, link is in the description, go grab it. This is also how we generate content, and this is our secret to make money, and I will show you step by step. Stay tuned. Before we begin, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in next 10 years learn how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we can no way do it without your help. All we need from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends and families, social media contacts, everybody you know. Everybody you know who want to learn how to make money online, or you think they would love to learn how to make money online. Of course, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. This way you help us reach more people and hit our goal to help 100 million people in next 10 years. And the people you will share this video with, they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. So this is how we make money. We answer simple questions like this. What is a verb? You see that? This is from our research. We found 135,000 people ask this question every single month on Google. 1.17 million people search the same question on YouTube every single month. So here is what we do. We use our software Epic. Epic allows us to make videos, simple videos, answer videos like this using artificial intelligence. And for that, we don't need to use camera because Epic allows us to make videos using text, image, and links. We don't need to speak because Epic generates natural voice over from text. Okay, Mosh, where is the text coming from? Epic, artificial intelligence. Epic generates text, writes a script for us using artificial intelligence. So everything is done by Epic. One push of a button, within 3 minutes, a video is ready answering questions like this, and we reach 1.17 million people. So how much money do we make? Here is an example. We answer questions about hosting server, website, and we make videos using Epic, of course. And in our video, we ask our viewers, hey, if you want hosting server for one-time price, then my link is in the description, go grab it. So they click my affiliate link and they see this landing page, this website, which offers hosting server for their websites at a one-time price, which is amazing, and people buy. And look at this. In this year, in only 5 months, we sent 2,123 people to this page via our videos that we make using Epic. Link in the description, by the way, for you, it's free. And every visitor on the average pays us $4.92, which is amazing. And this is the foundation of making $500,000 that I was talking about. So using Epic, we make short 1-minute videos like this. Okay, can you see that? This is, I searched with what is verb, and this is the shorts feed of YouTube. And see the number of views here, 10,000 views and 50,000 views, the first two videos, right? And if you scroll, you'll find hundreds of thousands of views. I told you to get more people, thousands, if not millions of people to pay you, right? How do you do that? You're making 1-minute videos for YouTube Shorts. As you make them, publish them on a website called Udemy. Udemy sells your videos as a bundle, which they call course or class. Why Udemy? Because Udemy has 97.3 million customers. These are crazy customers and they want to buy. Example, from all their regular traffic, 63% are their own. So these 63% people keep checking Udemy and keep buying and buying. And remaining 20% comes from Google and search engines, and 7% come from social media. So you are getting free customers from Udemy, from Google, and from social media just by putting the same videos as bundle and uploading them there for free. Now, what is a verb? Is a grammar related question. So I wanted to see what kind of money is being generated with grammar related courses on Udemy and look at the results. 2,925 results. These many courses, these many people are making money. So let me give you an example. This particular course, which is this one, this course has got 33,190 students, and the price point is $15.99, which made them $500,000, more than $500,000. Super crazy, right? This is amazing. All these come from answering simple questions like what is a verb, and keep answering grammar related questions, publishing them on YouTube, and start getting traffic and customers. Then bundle them together and put them on website like Udemy and tell your viewers, hey, I have a complete course on Udemy. Link is in the description, go grab it. So they visit your course and they buy. Super simple. Now, how do you know what kind of questions are people asking about grammar or any topic? On Udemy, find a course like this that are highly sold, a lot of students, very popular, bestseller, high rating. Go to the course content section and expand all sections. You see all these topics, course modules, these are the topics. People are buying, customers and students are buying, they're loving. One way is to buy a course like this, whatever you're targeting, learn it, learn more from YouTube, learn more from Skillshare. 1 month free, link is in the description. And make your own videos. Another way, forget buying. Just understand the question, understand the topic, go to YouTube and find answers for those questions, topics or modules, and make your own videos. Use Epic Artificial Intelligence. Epic will take 99% of your workload. It will take 3 minutes to make a video and start getting traffic, leads and customers. So we are making almost $5 from every visitor we send to our offers. People are making $500,000 from bundle of videos on Udemy. What are you waiting for? Answer simple questions, get a lot of people, hundreds of thousands of people loving you, following you, and paying you for your answers, and make money. Use Epic. It's free, link in the description. Oh, also, you see the transcription going on right here? This automatic transcription software is free. Link is in the description as well.
Simply create new. Give your video a name, select vertical, and click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any free source. Paste it here and your image is imported. Now, you can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want to voiceover, and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want. Click the text generator, and paste it right here. Use our artificial intelligence to rewrite for you or use the spinner to rewrite, it is your choice. Let's use the spinner and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic or use the text to audio feature to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type based on text here. Then click Submit. Your voiceover is ready. Go to the audio section. And here is your audio. Your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back later and add more video sections. You can also use our templates, which we have designed for our customers. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. You will receive an email notification once the render is complete. This is exactly how we made this video right here. You can download it and then upload it or directly upload it to Google Drive, Dropbox or other platforms. or you can directly publish it on YouTube or other platforms.
I hope you love this video. If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. This way you help us reach our goal to help 100 million people learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way in the next 10 years. And the people you'll share this video with, they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first paying customers and clients. That's how it works. That's how we make money. We answer simple questions and people love us and they will love you too. Go do it. Oh, by the way, if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next How to Make Money Online video. And we will see you in the next video.